recipe. Okay, the pan is hot now, so I'm adding rice bran oil. Now I add Panch phutan and red chili. Next, goes the onion, frying it till it turns golden brown. Now I'm adding potatoes, cut into small pieces as needed. Along with that, cauliflower and green peas all together. Now I am adding some salt as per requirement. Let's cook this till the vegetables become soft. Meanwhile, I've washed the poha properly, adding turmeric and salt as per taste. The vegetables are soft now, so I'll add the poha and mix it gently. Finally, adding fresh coriander leaves. Serving it on a plate and finishing with a squeeze of lemon. Simple, healthy, homemade poha is now ready. Please like, share, and subscribe your family-friendly food channel to Mummy's Kitchen.